In this video, you can see that we have AutoCAD open on the screen. And as you can see, we've also got a drawing open in AutoCAD. This drawing is called introduction.dwg, and it's one of those exercise files that you can download from the library to follow along with this particular video. Now, the reason I've got an AutoCAD drawing open is purely just to give you a quick breakdown of the AutoCAD interface. Now, the AutoCAD interface is very, very consistent. It has been for the last few versions of AutoCAD, so it should look the same as the interface that you're using when you're working through this particular course. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick heads up of where everything is. Top left of the screen, you can see the red A. Now, that will open up the AutoCAD application menu. Just along here, you can see some icons. This is known as the Quick Access Toolbar. Going across to the right here, this is known as the info bar, where you can type a keyword or phrase to get into the AutoCAD help. That's where you're signed in there to your Autodesk account. You can see the little blue symbol, and the Autodesk account tooltip popped up there as well. You can also go to the Autodesk App Store. You can also stay connected with the Autodesk online community. So if you look there, you can go to things like the AutoCAD blog, the YouTube channel, and so on. You'll notice as well, we've got the help screens here. So there's all the help and so on there, like so. And if we go right across to the end, you'll also notice here as well, we have the Autodesk Assistant. The Autodesk Assistant is an AI-powered assistant. If you click on it, you can ask the AI assistant questions about AutoCAD, you can get support queries generated, and so on and so forth. So that's the top part of the AutoCAD screen. You'll also notice in the middle at the top, you can see the name of the file that you're working on, which is introduction.dwg. AutoCAD runs with a ribbon interface. Now, the ribbon interface has different tabs. As you can see, there's the different tabs as I click along them, giving you access to the ribbon panels and all the different icons on the ribbon panels. I'll jump back to the Home tab, and you'll notice as well, some of the panels have arrows. You can expand them like so and pin them open. When that's pinned open, it stays open. When it's unpinned, if you move away from it, it goes back into the ribbon at the top of the screen. Just underneath the ribbon there, you'll notice you've got tabs. There's the Start tab. There's the introduction. There's our file there. That is our introduction.dwg file. If we had other drawings open in this session of AutoCAD, there would be other file tabs across the top of the screen. The little plus sign there lets you open up a new blank drawing with a default template. You can see the drawing here. We can zoom in and zoom out using the mouse, and I'll take you into how all of that technology works. Notice I'm panning there and zooming and so on. I can double click on the wheel there on the mouse, and that will zoom to extent. Down towards the bottom of the screen now, you can see we've got the tabs. There's the model tab, and these ones here are known as layout tabs. You can see they preview each time when you hover over them. There's the command line here. This is the old-fashioned way of running AutoCAD. You can type commands like we used to in the old days. So if you click in the command line there, you can type a command. Last but not least, before we jump into the exercises in this particular course, you can see here we have what is known as the status bar. This is where you control all of your AutoCAD drafting settings. And again, we'll go into that in the videos and the exercises in this particular AutoCAD Essential Training course.